can't wait to go to open the sunset experiment.
Okay, right. So, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to open up. We bought this new rainbow lab, and it's to make colourful crystals and make a test tube rainbow. It's STEM orientated, which is fantastic. Okay, so Caleb, do you want to open it up and then see what we've got in there?
Yeah!
Okay, just pull that.
Wow!
It's because those are there.
Wow!
Okay. Cups.
Hello?
Okay, test tube. Hold on. Let's destroy the box. What's that? Is that another test tube? Oh, there's lots of stuff in there, isn't there?
Let's see what else we got.
Okay, so we've opened up the little package with we've got the instructions. We've got some little stickers with name tags on them. We've got the notepad, which, yeah, very good. This looks like filter paper. Okay, what's that you got in your hand there, Caleb?
Rainbow glasses.
Oh, that looks cool. I wonder what you do with that. Okay, right, let's have a look then. Should we have a go then? Read the instructions. Okay, so now we're set up, and what we're going to do is we're going to do some colour creating, mixing colours. Okay?
Okay.
Right, so Caleb's all set up. He's got his safety goggles and he's got his little name badge that he's written his name on, Professor Caleb. Okay, so when you're ready, Caleb, do you want to film? Okay, Caleb, so tell the kids what you've learned from mixing these colours.
So I just did green means the thing. So I did green and orange, green, dark purple, light purple, dark green, orange, red and red.
Okay, so you've made all these different colours by mixing these three colours, haven't you?
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. So well done for you doing your science experiments today. Okay, good job.
That's going to take
Say
this
bye.
up.
Say bye.
Bye, kids. I hope you have a great day.